This week started with a little dump in the prices of Bitcoin and overall every other crypto. Will this continue in the next coming days, or is it the time that the market will reverse from here? I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. So I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and as you can see, today's candle as well as yesterday's candle, that is Monday's candle, both of them closed at red. Most probably this candle will also close at red only. And you can see Monday's candle, it opened at $67,000 and closed all the way down till $64,000. The main important thing is that I hope you can see this level over here. This is a minor support and resistance zone for Bitcoin from $65,000 approx to 68k level approx. And yesterday the price of Bitcoin did a breakdown of this level very easily, and today, as we can see, still there is no retest of this level, and the price is just continuing to fall towards the downside without any retest. If retest happens, then we can confirm that the price of Bitcoin can dump a little bit more towards the downside, but without any retest, we are just seeing incessant dump in the prices of Bitcoin as well as every other crypto. So this obviously means that most probably this dump will not last longer and the bears will get exhaust soon, to be quite honest. But personally I'm not taking any trade over here, and for me right now the market is just sideways only, and there is nothing much in the market right now. So yeah, this level over here is a minor level for me, because this is a very crucial level for Bitcoin from $71.3 thousand all the way up till over here $73,000. And this over here, this level, I hope you can see, from $58,000 approx to $60,000. This is a very important level for Bitcoin, and right now it is in middle of nowhere and not near my this level as well. So personally I'm not taking any trade over here. What do you guys think? Are you going to take a trade or not? Do let me know in the comments below. And what do you guys think? Will the price of Bitcoin continue to pump from here, or it will continue to dump? According to me, I'm expecting a little bit sideways market or a little bit pump towards the upside before a major crash again towards the downside. I mentioned this in my previous crypto video as well. Do watch that video. And yeah, that is what I'm expecting. But for now I'm expecting a sideways market or a pump towards the upside, a little bit pump towards the upside. But anything can happen in the market again. I'm just predicting it. Talking about Ethereum next, so I'm on its daily time frame chart over here, and I hope you all remember this was a short position I entered on Ethereum. I mentioned it in my video also, why I entered and what analysis I did to enter in this short position. And after that you can see the price of Ethereum just dumped heavily towards the downside, and right now also it is dumping. So for me it's a good thing, because this short position trade is still running in profits. If I watch my previous crypto video in which I was discussing about this trade, you already know that I already booked some amount of my profits and I'm trailing my stop loss as well. So even if this trade goes against me from here, I will just close all my trade and end up in profits only. But for now I'm just holding on to my profit, and as long as the price of Ethereum dumps more towards the downside, it will be good for me. And if it reverses from here, then also it is good, no issue at all. And same is with Ethereum also. The price of Ethereum right now is in middle of nowhere. These are the two crucial levels for Ethereum, from $1,500 to 1,000, approximately I would say $1,530 to $1,570 approx. And this level over here from 2,120 approx to $2,180. These were again very crucial levels according to me. Right now the price is in middle of nowhere, you can see. So obviously I'm not taking any new trade over here, and I'm already in an existing trade, and let's see how this will end up. Nothing much in Ethereum also as of now, because it all depends on Bitcoin only. If Bitcoin pumps, then Ethereum will also pump. If Bitcoin dumps, then ETH will also dump, followed with every other crypto. That is what I say every single time, and it's pretty simple. So right now nothing much in the prices of crypto. Alright, talking about Solana in the end. So you have already seen my Ethereum short position, and now you can see my long position on Solana. So you might be confused why I am entering in a long position or not. I've already discussed this in my previous video, but the main thing here is that for me this was a very, I would say, quick long position, because overall I knew that the price of Solana will not pump much. It will max to max, either it will go sideways or a little bit pump we can see, but we can't see a huge pump in the prices of Solana because Bitcoin and Ethereum are not showing any signs of that pump. So why will Solana pump? And the same thing is happening. The price of Bitcoin is falling, Ethereum is also falling, and again the same is with Solana also. It is also falling, as you can see over here. The price of Solana did a breakdown of this very crucial level from $81.8 to $85.47. This is a very crucial level for Solana over here, and it did a breakdown of this level, as you can see. So most probably, I mean, well, again I'm saying that it all depends on Bitcoin only, because if Bitcoin pumps from here, Solana will also pump. There is a minor support level over here, I hope you can notice, from at $77.4 level over here. This is a minor support. Let's see if the price of Solana can sustain this level or not, or else it will just continue to dump. But for now it's okay. Even if this trade goes against me, meaning that even if the price of Solana continues to dump from here, I will exit in a break-even trade only, because I'm already trailing my stop loss. This is no longer my real stop loss, and yeah, to be quite honest, it's okay, it's fine. This will be a no loss no profit trade for me, and to be quite honest, nothing much in Solana. As of now, I'm just keeping my eyes on Bitcoin, because it will decide where every other crypto will go. And I mean, Ethereum and Solana right now, to be quite honest, are very confusing, as well as they are not showing any good signs. So it is very hard to predict where they will end up. So that is why I'm keeping my eyes on Bitcoin only. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comments below whether the price of Bitcoin will end up pumping from here, or else it will continue to dump incessantly towards the downside. Because to be quite honest, there are still plethora of sellers right now activated in the market, and it is better to just avoid taking any long trade or short trade. Again, no financial advice, I'm not giving any trading signals over here. This is just what I believe, and to be quite honest, I'm only in one trade right now, that is on Ethereum short. To me, Solana's long position is already kind of, I mean, it's I'm not considering it to be as a trade, because most probably it will end up in break even only. And let's see what happens. The price of Solana and Ethereum and Bitcoin can pump also from here, anything can happen. But let's see what's next for the crypto market to offer. And you might be thinking that okay, I'm not sharing any bold analysis with you guys, and all I'm saying is that let's see. But right now the market is very unpredictable, and crypto market obviously is very manipulative, and anything can happen in it. We have already seen a huge dump in the prices of Bitcoin and every other crypto. That was because of technical analysis, but right now, according to technical analysis, I've already shared that the prices most probably can go sideways a little bit and then pump also a little bit towards the upside. But again, anything can happen, because the market right now is very uncertain. That is why I'm not taking any new trades over here. Just the existing trades that I have opened, I'm just managing those trades. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, or just buy and sell, you can do on any centralized exchange. A couple of exchanges are in the description below, you can check them out as well. Or you can use a decentralized exchange as well, like Hyperliquid. Link of Hyperliquid is also in the comments below, you can check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.